Hello everyone, so today we have another video. We're gonna do the spark plug replacement for this 2011 Ford F-150 5.0. So here are all the spark plugs. This has 8, 4 on this side and 4 on the other. We're gonna do the spark plug replacement with Coil boots. So before starting, remember to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery before working on the truck. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is clean the area with compressed air all around the spark plugs so that we don't have any debris in there. Okay, so now that it's clean, we are going to start taking out things. So first is this connector. Just so you know, these connectors right here are very brittle and can break. So you gotta be very careful if you don't want to break them. So first you pull the red tab up, then you're gonna click this black tab. You're gonna click it down as much as you can, but slowly, till you hear like a little click. That means that the tab is already open, and then you can pull back the connector. Right, so just try not to break them. Like this one, I think is broken from someone else, but the other ones, they're good. Tab up. Now using a screwdriver, we're gonna click right here slowly. Okay, so we got the connector out. Now we're gonna take out this bolt. This is a 8mm bolt. Okay, so we're gonna take out the 8mm bolt. And that's it. These are not supposed to be very tight, just, you know, snug. And then it comes out. Okay, so we're gonna use NGK spark plugs. Use this tool right here so that you don't damage the iridium spark plug. Check it like this, and then if it's not on the gap that you want, you're gonna use this back right here. Put it right there without touching it, and then you're gonna dry back slowly till you find the gap that you want. Okay, so this is the coil, and this is the boot replacement with a little spring. Basically just gonna take off this. And that's it. And then the little boot, you kinda want to twist it and then pull it. Might be a little tight, but it comes out like that. Okay, and it has a little spring, which the new ones come with. So just put it to the side. Okay, now you're just gonna, in the new boot, you're just gonna put the little spring back on. Gonna have to push it in with something, and there it is. Now it can fall. So you kind of push it. That's about it. Now you're gonna put this boot back on. Just slides right up. Next will be the boot. Just put it right there, and you have to kind of twist it and put it on. And that's about it. Now you replace the boot, the little top thing, and you're ready to put in the spark plug. Okay, so now we're gonna take out the old spark plug. We're gonna put some air in there so that we can clean out the debris. We're gonna use a 5/8 spark plug socket with an extension. Just remember to try to keep it straight up so that you don't damage anything. Let me do it on my hand first. Okay, there I feel that it went down. So now I'm gonna grab my ratchet. Now we're gonna take it off. Hello. See. Okay, so there it is. It was kind of tight, but we got it out. So now that it's loose, take off your ratchet and just do it with your hand. I use 2 extensions. Just try to get one that doesn't have movement, and there it should come out like that. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize, just very little, like on the first threads. You can put anti-seize if you want or not, doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna put a little bit, very tiny bit. Okay, now you wanna get the electric grease. We're gonna put this on the boot using a cotton swab. So all you wanna do is get some, you're gonna open it like this. You're gonna get a very little like this, and then inside the boot you kind of want to spread it around the walls of the coil. Okay, try not to touch the spring inside, so just kind of spread it around the walls. And yeah, that should be it. It's not a lot, it should be just a tiny bit. Now we're ready to install the coil with the spark plug. So before you get the new spark plug in, using compressed air again, clean the cylinder. Okay, so now you grab your new spark plug, and then we're gonna get it in by hand first. So very slowly and straight, go there. And then you start turning it with your hand. Try to keep it as straight as possible, and you're gonna feel it if you're not straight, so no pun intended. Okay, so by hand first, and then these are torqued to 11 foot-pounds. So once you feel a little bit of resistance, that means that it's in. You can take out your tool, and now we're gonna use a torque wrench to tighten it up. Okay, so you get your torque wrench, put the extension straight, and then 11 foot-pounds. Okay, so I feel it kind of tight. And there it is. You hear the click and you're good to go. Now we're gonna put the new coil so that no dirt gets in, and this is pretty much, you know, just put it straight, line it up with the bolt, kind of twist it, and once it's lined up with the bolt, you're good to go. Okay, so hand tight the bolt, and I'm not sure about the torque spec for this bolt, but it shouldn't be tight, just, you know, snug it up. And that's pretty much it. And there it is. That's how you change the spark plug with the coil boot. We're gonna do this same process for all 3 on this side and the 4 on the rest on the other side. Okay, so we're basically done. This side, the driver's side, was the easiest to do. So yeah, the final step, just plug in all the connectors. First you're gonna pull it in till you hear a click, and then pull the red tab down, and that's secure. You hear the click, and then you just pull the tab in, and that's it. And now you can connect the battery, turn on the truck, and see what it does. But you should be good.